If you think you've missed out on the opportunity to mine Bitcoin profitably, well, I've got something really exciting to tell you in today's video because I think I found the solution. Nothing I say is financial advice, always do your own research. But let's dive into the video, guys. Now, when Bitcoin first came around, there was like a few options of how you can make money using it. A few people bought it and then they held onto it, hoping that it would go up in value. And obviously we've seen what's happened since, but other people got into mining. And because Bitcoin was very new at the time and the rewards were very big, that meant that people could make tons and tons of Bitcoin for mining just a few hours on their PC. Whereas now, because it's so competitive and because so many people want to do it, because obviously Bitcoin has gained value, it's actually really, really difficult and you need tons of specialist software to be able to mine any reasonable amount of Bitcoin, because ultimately the cost of the power to drive most of the crypto mining is significantly higher than your actual PC or Mac or whatever it is can achieve. However, if you jump across to this website, which I've linked down below, guys, you can find Greedy Machines, which is a new NFT and it's revolutionizing the way that Bitcoin mining occurs. Greedy Machines was like an original mining company and they kind of branched out and found different ways to allow other people, normal people like you and me without specialist equipment, to be able to mine a Bitcoin profitably. Now, you've probably heard of an NFT, which stands for non-fungible token. Ultimately, it's a digital asset in the form of a picture that's linked onto the blockchain and has a unique code and can't be changed, can only be passed from one user to another through a transaction like a sale, etc. And OpenSea traditionally was the marketplace for selling lots of NFTs. As we can see down here, all the NFTs below, some of them ranging from insanely high amounts of money to some of them very little. Now, each of these NFTs down below you can see has its own unique piece of artwork. Some of them entitle you to be able to attend fancy parties. Some of them also entitle you to get on the list to buy other NFTs. Others might have discounts for restaurants. Others might have other opportunities for you to be able to benefit from owning that NFT. So pretty much the owner of the NFT project can create anything they want from this. And Greedy Machines has created this, which is their own NFT revolution for mining Bitcoin. If we look down below, we can start to understand why maybe owning an NFT from Greedy Machines might be worthwhile. Now, because mining Bitcoin is quite heavy work for any computer system, traditionally it needs lots of power, lots of electricity power, particularly now because of wars around the world and the gas prices being extremely high in many countries. Electricity has got extremely expensive as well. That now means that mining has become even more expensive. It's extremely competitive as well, so the rewards also depleted. Therefore, if I was to try and mine on my computer, then I'd probably make less than $1 in the entire year, and obviously the power to power my computer through that time is probably going to be much higher anyway. But this works slightly differently. And we can come down and see the difference between a traditional mining setup and mining with the NFT. Now, traditional mining through an ant miner, which is quite expensive, will make you a return on investment of 9.7% a year. Now, that's fine if you've got thousands of these things working, in which case you need a huge warehouse, loads of cooling fans, etc. But mining with the NFT, you can see, is significantly more beneficial because I can make 28.6% return on investment per year. What you get from Greedy Machines, so you get a digital art that actually mines Bitcoin, daily Bitcoin rewards in your wallet, and a choice of NFT in terms of the power and efficiency that you're going to see. And we're going to have a look at the different NFTs available in just a moment, as well as that a game with potential to mine more Bitcoin each day. And you can see these are the different NFTs down below. Now, obviously these are images of NFTs. Using these NFTs or sales from these NFTs, they can go and build real life mining setups in order to then pay rewards in Bitcoin. But it's quite a fun, cool, different way of doing things. And you can see there's a few different ways of doing it here. We've got the solo mining. So just a day after buying the NFT, you're going to start to get rewards in your wallet, which is very, very cool. Down below, we've got pool mining, where you can win like 1% of the total reward of the pool. All other participants receive a Bitcoin in proportion to their activity in the game and the power. Basically the same as a normal mining pool works, where you yourself might not have enough power, but you can kind of work together as a team. And then when you get rewards, you split it up amongst the team. And as well as that, you can get a 14-day free trial as well by coming through that link down below in the description. And this will allow you to try both the game and the solo bot as well. Another cool thing after you try this out a bit is you can invite your friends and get another 5% royalty on every one of your friends' purchases. purchases. So if your friend's coming across and buying like $100 or a couple of $100, then you're going to get an extra $5, $10 here or there, maybe even more if they get too excited and buy lots more. So in order to buy a machine, we just need to come up here where it says click on how to buy, and you can see you can use USDT or the GMT token, which we'll talk about in just a moment, to purchase NFTs. To purchase your NFT, you need to register in your personal account, attach the address of the wallets where you want the NFT sent, and the address of the Bitcoin wallet where you want to receive your rewards. So something cool as well is once we get our GMT tokens, we can then use these to buy even more miners, and that is also very cool because we can then compound our earnings over time. So looking in specifically to the GMT token, which is basically the one that runs the whole ecosystem and allows the mining for Bitcoin to occur, you can see that there's 428 million GMT in circulation, some of which are on the BEP or Binance Smart Chain contract, and then the rest on the Ethereum contract. And you can see the rewards in a Bitcoin from the pool yesterday were 2.76 with a total of 580 people in the pool. So basically by just holding the GMT token, you're also going to get rewards paid in a Bitcoin. And this is what's so powerful about being in the pool. It's basically like a yield farming pool, so that you basically get the benefit of holding onto the token. It also benefits the platform by you securing the token because it enables them to continue their growth. There's various methods to ensure that GMT does not overinflate, such as burning of tokens and various others, which is obviously cool because it basically means over time by holding GMT tokens, you're not going to actually be losing money, but instead it's designed that you're actually going to be gaining money, and it's to be able to gain value over a period of time. And this added on to the whole concept of digital mining is significantly better than traditional sources of mining, because instead of having to buy physical machines and then sell them on, you're basically holding an asset that's going to mine you Bitcoin on a daily basis. As soon as you don't want that asset anymore for whatever reason, you can then just sell that on. It's highly liquid, so you can just sell it back into the market at any given time without any fear at all. And you can see that within just 24 hours, you're going to start to earn rewards through this whole platform. You can see that the token is backed by the power of our mining infrastructure. Token holders receive daily rewards from the mining of their Bitcoin wallets directly to the mining pool. And if you want to buy it, all you got to do is come over here, click on a buy GMT, and it's going to allow you to do it through a number of different ways, whether you want to buy through a physical like credit card, debit card, or through a direct transfer of cryptocurrency. So in summary, if you feel like you missed out on the mining revolution for cryptocurrency, well, don't worry. You can come and make a passive income paid every single day in a Bitcoin to your wallet by purchasing a digital miner through one of the GMT or Greedy Machines NFTs. You can go over to the website, which is linked down below in the description, in order to do that. If as well you want to refer your friends, there's a generous 5% referral fee where you'll earn money from them purchasing machines as well. Once your machines are up and running, you can use the profits from them to feed back in and buy even more machines. And given that right now the price of Bitcoin is extremely low, think about the potential that you have to acquire some Bitcoin at the current value, because once that price increases, the money that you've already mined is going to go up along with Bitcoin as well. And you know, you've probably seen the crazy estimations of where Bitcoin could be in the future. There's always a potential that that could also happen. And then this is going to be one of the best decisions you've ever made. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button for me. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about mining, NFTs, crypto, Web3, and so much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.